Before 1999, people used to buy and sell services through ads published in the classified section of newspapers. Then came Craigslist, the legendary marketplace that changed the way folks bought and sold products and services online. Here you can find anything from local services to your next apartment. This makes Craigslist an ideal data source for lead generation, real estate market research, academic research, and more. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can scrape Craigslist in minutes. No coding or technical knowledge needed. If you are not a Hexamatic user yet, be sure to create an account at hexamatic.com. So, let's get into it. Let's imagine you work in a real estate company and need to collect real estate data. Hexamatic has a built-in scraping recipe builder that allows you to scrape any data from any website. So, to get started, go to your Hexamatic dashboard and click Create Blank Scraping Recipe. Go to Craigslist.org and capture the URL of the desired page. For example, I will scrape real estate from the city of Auburn, Alabama. So, after capturing the URL, we need to paste it to Hexamatic. As Craigslist can often cause preview issues, let's select Full Stack as browser mode for better results and then click Preview. Now, when the page is loaded, let's select what we want to scrape. Here, I will scrape different category page URLs from the housing section. To do that, let's select the desired category, click Select Single, then name the category. Select the type, here it is links URL, and then click Save. Repeat the actions for each category, and then save the recipe. After getting the links to the categories, you can scrape data from each category. For example, let's now scrape data from the real estate for sales category. We need to create another scraping recipe and then select all the desired elements to scrape and click Save, all like we did for the first recipe. You can use this scraped data for a range of purposes, including saving the data in a convenient Google Sheets or spreadsheet file. And now, go to your dashboard and click Create a new workflow with scraping recipe. Add your previously scraped recipe and then run it. In this case, we will run our second scraping recipe to get the real estate for sale category data. After adding your recipe, click Continue, and then Run Now to run the workflow. You can also run the first recipe in the same way to get the links from the housing category. Or you can combine these two recipes. After running the workflow and getting the results, you can export them to Google Sheets. And here is the file you will get as a result. Alright, I hope this video helped you to scrape data from Craigslist. Please let us know if you liked the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. See you next time!